when me and Eric decided to take off this morning from Bakersville, we decided we'd run to Erwin, Tennessee, because it's on the way and we'd heard this and that. And we also wanted to get a chance to look at the area. Actually, we wanted to see the plastic plant that is suspected to have dumped a lot of toxic waste into that river in that area there. And so we were unable to get to the plant. Possibly could have, but we had a gooseneck trailer, but we were able to drive by, and I wanted to show you that area of Erwin, Tennessee, where this is 6 weeks after the storm. Now I want you to understand that this is one side of the highway, that it is just as bad on the other side of the highway, okay, where that river flooded in that valley in Erwin, Tennessee.